today we were doing the second round of tests using larger branches where those would break out of trees when the winds are blowing 45, 50, 55 miles an hour and traveling some distance and landing on the wires, maybe blowing 20 feet, 30 feet from the tree. So today we put covered wire, the insulated wire in the center phase, and we tried the one experiment with 10-foot arms. Our standard are 8, so these are further spacing. Was that going to prevent an outage? We also tried changing our normal configuration and using a 30-inch pole top pin. So it forms more of a triangle to see if those branches came down, the larger ones, would it pull all 3 of the wires so that they're down close enough that the branch would in fact touch all 3 of them. We tried the configuration at 10-foot spacing, 8-foot spacing, and 5'7" spacing. And we found that for almost the entire span at 5'7", the close spacing, the branches would not touch both outer phases at the same time. It would just rock between, so it would be resting on that center covered wire, might touch the one, that would not cause a problem. Wind blow, it might touch the other, would not cause a problem. Finally, we wanted to see at 10-foot spacing, 10-foot cross arms, were we going to have the outage where it was uninsulated line in the center phase too? What was the variation there? Just to kind of complete the loop. And it took about 7 or 8 minutes, but a carbon path was finally formed and outage occurred. Using the information we gathered today and a few weeks back, we'll have different options that we can tailor to the specific situation where trees, broken branches are causing outages during windstorms. So this just gives us more options for the engineers, the line crews to use to prevent that next outage.